Dear students, my name is Nausheen and in today's session we are going to discuss what is the shape of market supply of labor. And we are going to limit our discussion to the case of perfect competition. So this topic is a part of chapter 6 theory of marginal productivity and factor pricing. And in today's session we are going to see how the shape of market supply of labor may be different from the shape of individual supply of labor. So let's start this discussion with the help of diagrams. Now, an important question after understanding the shape of individual labor supply curve, is whether the market supply curve of labor is also backward bending. So, we have seen in our previous session that the supply curve of labor for an individual is said to be backward bending because at higher wage rates, workers do not choose to continue working for longer hours, rather than they want to utilize their higher incomes for leisure activities, so they tend to reduce the working hours. Now it's important to analyze whether the market supply curve of labor is also backward bending, or can it be positive. So is it possible that as long as the wage rates keep on increasing, the willingness to supply more labor and to work for more number of hours also keep on increasing? So is there a positive relation between wage rate and labor? That also needs to be checked. So in general, for the long run aggregate supply curve, economists more or less agree that the shape is positive. So long run aggregate supply curve is positively sloped. But what is the reason behind this positive slope? And the reason is that in general, during every period of time, there would be some young entrants in the labor force who would be actively seeking work, and they would be willing to work more if higher salaries and higher wages are being provided to them. So there would always be a particular section of population who would be willing to put in more number of hours for higher wages. While even old or existing workers, they may not always reduce the supply of labor if the salary package is very lucrative, very good, and they have a chance, they have an avenue of reskilling themselves. So if they have such mechanisms where they can attend workshops or do some certificate programs or learn some new skill, then even the existing workers generally tend to reskill if the wage rates or salary package being offered to them is very good. So that strengthens the point that there is a positive association between labor supply and wage rate. But what about the shape of backward bending labor supply curve? Does that exist or does that not exist? So it has been debated that possibly backward bending labor supply curve may also exist, but only in rich countries. Why? Because in rich countries, as the standard of living increases, people try to take out time for leisure activities, and in order to do so, they may also increase the demand for more allowances, more perks, more facilities by the employer. They may ask for more work breaks and even holidays. There are many cases where employees ask the employers to take them out for a tour. It may be just an office tour, but then they would like to engage in excursion activities. And also, many countries, it has been found that workers have demanded shorter work weeks. So rather than just having a weekly holiday, one holiday in a week, there are workers who demand 2 holidays in a week and even 3 holidays in a week. So the demand for shorter work weeks also rises. Now, generally, the demand for higher wages accompanied with higher working hours does not rise beyond a point, and that is why there is a possibility that there is a positive relationship between the wage rate and between the labor supply curve. So there is a possibility that the wage rate, as the wage rate keeps on rising, the labor supply curve also rises. and so more or less for majority of the countries the supply curve of labor is positively sloped. So this is all about the market supply of labor in the case of perfect competition, and we shall be back discussing more about the equilibrium obtained in the case of labor market in perfectly competitive market structures in the next session. Till then, all of you take care and have a great time ahead.